I'm just dull with suffering from hair fall, and I was gone to local hair transplantation center, and I have transplanted my hair, and it's not a good and not a quality. Hi, my name is Surya Rakesh, and I am from Hyderabad. Actually, my hair is growing past 5 years, and I'm just dull with suffering from hair fall, and I was gone to local hair transplantation center, and I have transplanted my hair, and it's not a good and not a quality done by the surgery in Hyderabad. But in YouTube, some YouTube channels, I have seen the Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic, and I shocked the result where the candidates are, how the baldness is going and how the hair is growing up faster and density is higher. So I think I decided this is the good transplantation center. I want to do the second hair transplantation center in this clinic only. So I have came here, and I going to surgery. Hi, I am Rakesh. I am from Hyderabad. Before I have said that I am reached this clinic, I am just excited to do my second hair transplantation in this clinic. So I have just now I completed my surgery in an excellent way. Just I want to share my feedback through you. My second transplantation has done here in 2 days. Yesterday I have completed with the 2000 grafts, and today I have completed with 2000 grafts. Treatment of this clinic, mainly with the doctors and the colleagues are treating very relationship manner. So we can easily, without tension, we can do a transplant and surgery in this clinic. So I prefer this is the most valuable surgery clinic in India. I'm excited, eagerly waiting to see my results early. I think this will fulfill a lot of confidence in my life to Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic.